So can you tell me how this differs from the hangi? Because I've always heard about that.
Yeah, the hangi in traditional times is likened to the way in which the Pacific Island people prepare their food in the ground, under leaves, cover it over with soil, and let the heat of the rocks cook the food.
Okay.
When they came here, obviously our people discovered this, geothermal.
Yeah.
And so for the people of this particular valley, it made sense to use this to cook instead of digging holes in the ground and burying the food in.
So you don't do the hangi?
Oh no,
so
we do that here. We do that as well. But you know, you use the best. Our people were wise. They were functional, so they took the best resources and they used those for their own benefit. But when you go away from this valley, around the rest of Rotorua, where you don't have this feature, they will still cook the hangi in the ground. Heat the stones, cool the stones, put the meat on top, the food's on top, cover it over quickly with leaves, etc., and bury it over, and in about 2 or 3 hours it's cooked.
That's fabulous. And what sort of things can they cook in a hangi?
Oh, meats, potatoes, all the vegetables you like, seafoods, you name it, they can cook.